steamed ham.
With his crazy explanations, superintendent's gonna need his dedication. Here's Skinner's lame exaggeration of the traveling time to crack.
I hate those damn cartoons! I love wearing the mask. Here's my school bus!
This is the noisiest violence in my Saturday day.
What was that?
Zoom, boing,
Ah!
boing, 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 boing.
Look at those persons. Wolves are men, wolves are girls. I believe that their guiltiness of fucking in my ass are numbered. Oh, in a good time. May she romance some random guiltiness? Yes. Nope.
Yes, him.
What?
I will send Niko the Kid to the forest
For what?
for running away from those wolves.
How did you know I was getting away from them?
We've been watching you on YouTube.
YouTube, everyone, to the laboratory. Thank you for watching me spying on Melinda. Maybe it's lunchtime, or maybe it's violence. All I have to do is to replace her powers to her weakness. Behold, the deer. How would you know it's Bambi? Silence! First you need the bow and arrow.
You ready to go hiking with me?
It's a no, bitch.
No swearing. And why? I went to jury. I have my laws, and it's the Black Forest. Everything's ruined by wolves. Swear words. Violence. Think of Vice Patrick. Bill or Tom. But boy, you just said that. When you're grown up, you'll be just thinking. You stay here and I'll go hiking.
Hello. Are you all right? Are you hungry? Here we are. Don't be afraid. That's it. There's nothing to be afraid of. No!
We got one. Wait a second. That's the black-haired girl. She's not even a Niko. Then who else is a Niko? For lunchtime. Niko will be next. Help, let me out. You're something, boss. No, wolf number 2. Who is it? SpongeBob? Homer? The Kid Master. I think he's awake.
Stop scaring wolf number 2 or I will kill you. Yes. Awesome. Hand me an ice cream scoop. Ice cream scoop? Fuck you up, number 2. It's not science, it's brain surgery. Where are you? It's coming out. Hello. Fuck you up, number 2. You're a dumb nose. I want to be that.
Wolf number 2, look! The eyes! They're open!
It's alive!
If the werewolf attacked the girl and the kid, no one can stop me now! Whoa, Trust this with your people.
Yes, 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 yes.
Awesome. Hand me an ice cream scoop.
Ice cream scoop. Book you up, number 2. It's not science, it's brain surgery. Where are you? It's coming out, it's coming out. Hello.